Marley!
From the nighttime neon city wastelands of the 80s music scene, there was to come a group who would take the fifth step into the future of rock and roll. A group whose principal interests are TV, Star Wars.
What we need is designer bottoms.
Isn't he beautiful?
Home computers, high-tech sex.
But are they going to cause us any trouble?
The Ultra Vixens. Adrenaline. Excitement.
You mean they're going to make a record?
Get ready for the fifth generation of rock and roll. What we need is designer finance.